Hello, I'm Eugene. I'm CEO of CombiTel, an Australian development and integration company. Today I'm presenting our new remote control. This remote control is specifically designed for hotels, hospitals and aged care industries. It is very easy to use and it is very easy to maintain and clean. It can be cleaned according to hospital standards. We had an excellent feedback at the show about this remote, and we integrated this remote with most television brands. Here we're displaying integration with Samsung, Philips, LG and also Sony, but this remote supports most other television models. Battery compartment can be secured, and also this remote can be attached to a wall or to a bed with a cord. For more information, please go to our website omniscreen.tv. Thank you.